How to connect a Shopify store to your CustomCat account. To connect your Shopify store to your CustomCat account, head to CustomCat.com and click the login icon in the upper right corner of the page. Once you've signed in, you'll be brought to the app homepage, where you'll notice our setup wizard prompting you to connect a store. Click the My Stores button in the setup wizard, or click My Stores in the left navigation menu. Next, click Connect Your First Store to start selling. From here, we'll select Shopify from the list of integrations. Next, you'll input your Shopify store URL. You can find this information within your Shopify account by clicking Online Store and Domains. After clicking Connect, you'll be redirected to Shopify to log in. Next, you'll click Install App. This will bring you to the Store Settings section of your CustomCat account. We'll go over this section in more detail in our next video. Congratulations! You've connected your Shopify store to your CustomCat account. Now, when you click My Stores in your CustomCat left navigation menu, you'll see your Shopify store listed. Now you're ready to create, export, and sell custom products on your online store through CustomCat. For more CustomCat tutorials, plus frequently asked questions, tips, tricks, and more, visit CustomCat.com.